purpose of this video is to demonstrate the removal and installation of the pilot relay module of the Logix 3800 positioner. Please refer to Appendix G of the IOM, or Instruction and Operating Manual, for the correct part number needed for your specific positioner model. Make sure the valve is bypassed or in a safe condition. Disconnect power to the positioner. Disconnect air supply to the positioner. Remove the takeoff arm and follower arm. Note, it is recommended that the positioner be removed from the valve and taken to a clean work environment for disassembly and reassembly if possible. Also note, the procedure is the same for both intrinsically safe (IS) and explosion-proof (EX) positioners. Step 1. Remove the 4 manifold bolts using a 5mm Allen wrench. Remove the manifold. Remove the 5 manifold O-rings. Installation. Tip the housing so that the manifold interface is facing up so the O-rings don't fall. Place the 5 new O-rings into the housing. Place the manifold relay assembly onto the housing. Tighten the 4 bolts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Torque the bolts to 2.8 Newton meters or 25 inch-pounds. Finally, reconnect the positioner, follower arm, and the takeoff arm to the valve and perform a quick cal. For details on performing calibration, please see our videos at knowledgecenter.flowserve.com. For more information on this or other products, please contact your Flowserve representative.